Hi, in this video, I am exploring periodical experimental probability in large number. What is the periodical probability of two toss coins? Let's start.
We will getting the probability of tossing two coins. Probability of tossing coins and total number of outcome is equals to 4. The outcomes is head to head, head to tail to head, and tail to tail. So the probability of no heads is over 1 over 4. The probability of one head is equals to 2 over 4. The probability of two heads is 1 over 4. The probability at least one head is 2 over 4. So the next is probability of no tail is over 1 over 4. The probability of one tail is over 2 over 4. The probability of two tail is 1 over 4. The probability at least one tail is over 2 over 4. We will getting the probability of two tossing coins of heads. Okay, in the first toss, and then in the second toss, so we got one heads in the one toss. In the third toss, hindi naka-1 pero pangalawang toss natin, in the fourth toss, two success and one. In the fifth toss, again, mm, so we got two success in two tosses. In the sixth toss, we got one success in one toss. In the seventh toss, don't get the heads. We got one heads in the second toss. In the eighth toss, we got one head and the first toss. In the ninth toss, we don't get the head. We're going to try again. Now we got one and the second toss. In the tenth toss, we got two success and in the first toss. So in the 11th toss,
We got 1 in the second. So 2 success in first toss. In the third toss, we got 1 head in the first toss. So 13 toss. We got 1 head in the first toss. So in the 14th toss, we got 1 head again in the first toss. In the 15th toss, we got 1 head, and we got 1 head only in the fourth toss. So in the 16th toss, we got 1 head, and no, we only got 1 head in the first toss. So this is the result of the success, and this is the result of the tosses. That's all.